Hi guys, I'm at Mr. Cigar right now doing a review on the Evic. So if you were to purchase this, it's going to come in a nice sealed box. You're going to break the seal right here, go ahead, open it up, and there's your Evic. So we're going to take this out and just show you what's inside the box. You got your Evic, set this right there, carefully, don't want to drop it. Pop this little holder out, and then you're going to have two menus inside. You have your MVR, which is My Vapor Record. So all this is going to show you is basically when you hook it up to your computer, what you're doing with your pen. You have this huge manual too. So with this thing, it's going to tell you absolutely everything you can do with your Evic. If I were to review it, it's going to be another hour-long review, which we don't want. We're just trying to briefly explain what you're getting when you buy the Evic. I'm going to set that over there, show you what's inside the box. You have your battery, you have your charger, and you have your cord that goes from the charger to the Evic. So it's all boxed individually, nice package, it's in there pretty good. So we'll put this back, and then we'll talk about the Evic. You're gonna first take off the bottom part right here, it unscrews. And then the battery is pink, but don't worry, it's gonna go inside. You won't see it anymore. And screw this right back on. And now 5 clicks to this back button right here is called your firing button. 5 clicks to it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it to the menu. You're going to hit power on, one more click. It's going to power on the device. Tells you your date and time, and it says no atomizer found. So right here is your ohms. You're going to see that it's 00 because there's no tank attached. After we attach a tank, it's going to detect the ohms that are actually in the tank. I'll show you that right now. Got our tank right here. Just screw it on, and it will detect exactly the ohms that are in each individual tank that you put on your Evic. 2.5 ohms. So, and then it'll also recommend what temperature in voltage and in wattage to vape at. So it's variable voltage, variable wattage device. Basically what that means is you can either switch from vaping in voltage or wattage. And in wattage, it's just exactly the same, but it's more precise on the temperature that you're going to be getting. So after you find your preference, whether you like voltage or wattage, this device can do both of them. You're going to change your temperature by just twisting this slightly one way, 3.1, 3.2, goes all the way back up, go all the way to 5. On the side right here, there's a little tab. You're going to pop that open, and that's where you hook your charger up to, and you can actually vape as your pen's charging. So there's no external charger to this. The battery stays in here at all times, and you charge it from the side of the device. This is actually a really good mod. The only negative thing is you do not want to drop this. It's very nice. You have your computer board, which is very expensive for the Evic. This is what they're known for. So when you're dropping it, it's like dropping a cell phone. You don't want to do it. If this breaks, your pen is now broken and you have to buy a new board. But besides that, this is a great pen. It produces a great taste, and I'm going to show you the vapor production you get from it right now. And you can't see me anymore. Now you can. And when you hold it, it's going to tell you how long you're actually inhaling for in seconds, which is actually kind of cool to know. Just if you want to compare tanks, you hold 4 seconds for each tank, you see which tank actually produces a better vapor. So basically the Evic is actually a really good device. You're going to unscrew this, take off your tank. I'm going to show you how to clean it real fast. Unscrews, and then this part up here just screws off. And then this you can just wipe with a paper towel all around each coil. You have your 510 and your CE5. So it will fit your Ego tanks, and it will also fit your 510s. You can put any type of tank on this device, but it does have a cutoff limit at 1.4 ohms. So if you try to go lower than that, like with a rebuildable, you're not going to be able to do it unless you're wrapping above 1.4 ohms. So what it will say if you put a rebuildable on here is that it shorts out. That's the issue. It's protecting your pen and your battery. So what you're going to do is just learn how to wrap a little bit higher ohms, but basically every type of tank you get will fire on this pin. All right, guys, that's the review. Check out Mr. Cigar. His address is 4701 White Lane, Suite C. Phone number is 661-397-0101. Or you can check us out online, shop at Rama. That's RAMA.com. All right, thanks a lot, guys.